I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm gonna. What if I lose an asshole? Okay. The more I think about it, I think I want to do it. Cause it's like, it's as good as any, right? There's like zero people around. Look at this. Zero people around as I can see. All that matters is should I risk the quad or not? Because we have a long road trip planned tomorrow, and that kind of depends on the Nazgul. So I'm kind of like, should I do it or should I not? I don't know if I should do it or not. Cause one thing about range is it doesn't. Since I'm on the lower power settings, so I can conserve like controller battery. It doesn't really penetrate trees very well, and there's a shit ton of trees here, and yeah, that's why I'm like, should I do it or nah? I mean, I can do this ridge line here. There's one that comes down there and comes to the trees. Maybe. Should I? This is what happens when you only have one quad, and it's so nerve-wracking to lose that quad. Cause I don't even have GPS on this quad either, so if it gets lost, it's pretty much gone. Like the risk to reward is not even that high too, because it's not even that good of a shot. Like that one, I don't know how to turn on that one, but that one would be epic. I think I'm gonna try it. You know, wise words of the, whatever that saying is, wise words of the, I don't even know. You know what? No, fuck it. I'm gonna try it. That's how we live nowadays. Fuck it. We're gonna try it. It's gonna probably end up badly, but we can't think about that. We're gonna try and dive that peak there and get as low as we can. So let's set up and let's do this. Okay. I'm gonna change out the SD card. That's what I'm gonna do. At least if I lose the quad, I can go home with some footage, you know? That's what I'm gonna do. This is me stalling, you know? Not wanting to do it, but at the same time wanting to do it. It's just like I'm procrastinating. I don't want to lose the quad in the forest and have to go find it. That's like the worst of my worries right there. Because if I do that, that means I'm stuck flying the ProTech until I'm stuck flying the ProTech tomorrow, and I just don't enjoy flying the ProTech anymore, which is why I'm trying to build a second 5-inch.
Who's that Pokemon?
So then it's more enjoyable because I love flying 5 inches. It's so much more freeing than ProTech. ProTech, basically you can do a quick double, like a little bit flips here and there, and that's about it. Can't really do anything much with the ProTech. It's good at flying straight and just like flat. And I mean, that's what it was built for, but I don't know, man. I don't want to do this. Actually, no, I do want to do this. Okay, let's just do it. Oh my god, I hit a tree! Holy shit. I did not see that tree there. Oh shit, where am I gonna land? It's all sand here. Oh my god, that was close. I don't think I want to do that again. But it looks like I'm going. Yo, the tree branches are so hard to see. Alright, one more pass. Okay. 14.2. Alright, one more dive and we're quitting. Oh my god! Okay, that was the best dive I've ever done. Alright, where am I gonna land? That's the question. It's all sandy. Maybe I'll just put it on a brush. Nope, that was sand too. Oh well. That was a good flight. That was a good flight. Oh my god, that was freaking scary. I can't believe I got that. It better be on the GoPro. That was freaking scary. You know, every now and then you just have to do those things that make you feel alive, you know? And that just made me feel alive. Diving down that little cliffside, like, I don't know how people do it off mountains and stuff. That is the end goal. One day I want to go to like a big rocky mountain or something, like Banff or wherever, and just dive down the mountain. I'm sure I need a long range setup for that, as this was already cutting, the video was a bit glitchy and stuff. So I'm sure I need like a long range build, maybe coming in the future, you know. But wow, do I feel alive. There's so much adrenaline coursing through me right now, just diving down the ridge there. There were so many high trees that I couldn't see like the branches and stuff. It was all scraggly and I had to like pop up. Okay, enough excitement. That's about it. That's for this area. That's it. Okay. We're gonna definitely come back here. Definitely with more of like FPV friends and stuff, and then we're hopefully gonna dive that again. And this time, it will be better. It will be better. Trust me. This was just the first time I ever dove like a small, like a mountain-ish. I don't know if you want to call that a mountain. I'm gonna call it a mountain, but that's the first time I've ever dove a mountain, and it's exhilarating. It's like diving a tower. Oh, oops. Sorry. Precursor to what you're gonna see in a couple of weeks. We're gonna be diving a condo building downtown. Yeah. So, boy, that was crazy. Okay, now I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get something to eat because I'm very, very hungry. All right, see ya.